Quiet start, but a snowy finish to the day. Snow will develop across the region around the afternoon hours. With that, a winter weather advisory will begin for everybody at about 1 o'clock and last through the late evening hours. If you are in Chautauqua, Cattaraugus, and southern Erie counties, your winter weather advisory will run through 5 a.m. tomorrow. Elsewhere, that advisory ending between 9 o'clock tonight and the midnight hours. General snowfall totals this afternoon on into tonight will be about 2 to 5 inches, with 3 to 8 inches for those of you from the Boston Hills down through ski country. We're currently cold out there, and we're going to remain chilly throughout the day today as winds pick up. We're at 21 in Buffalo and in Dunkirk, 22 in the Falls, 13 in Brantford, 15 in Wellsville, 12 for those of you in Jamestown. Breezy conditions out there right now, putting our wind chill temperature at 8 in Buffalo, a wind chill of 1 for those of you in Jamestown. We're looking at a high today around 30. Winds by the afternoon will be gusting up to 40 miles an hour, so that is going to put our wind chill in the teens and 20s. Make sure the kids are bundled up with gloves and their snow boots as they're getting on the bus, because by the time they're getting off, we're going to be seeing snow develop across the region. About 1 to 3 inches of daytime accumulation for everybody today. Blowing snow and slick roads are definitely a potential later this afternoon as we are dealing with breezy conditions. This is the storm system we're tracking here. This cold front just beginning to push into Michigan. You can see the widespread snow over Michigan. That will continue to push towards western New York and northern Pennsylvania. With Super Microcast, it wants to bring that in right around the noontime hour. And I think that is pretty accurate, maybe holding off until about 1 o'clock. Nonetheless, for the afternoon, we're dealing with snow at times, potentially some heavier snow. You can see here the darker blues on Super Microcast. So your commute home could be a slow go. You might want to budget some extra time if you have somewhere to go after work today. As we get into the late evening hours, we continue to see snow. Once we hit midnight, though, Super Microcast wants to quickly diminish snowfall across the region. I think we will see some lake effects set up for those of you in ski country with a northwesterly wind. That's why your accumulation amounts are a little bit more than elsewhere across the region. For tonight, most of us will see an additional 1 to 3 inches. 2 to 5, though, for those of you in ski country. It is a very cold night out there. On top of that, we're going to be hearing the furnace kick in a lot tonight. We're looking at a low temperature of 15, a southern tier low of 8. Snow mainly during the evening will taper to scattered lake effect snow during the overnight hours. For tomorrow, there's the chance of some light snow or flurries mainly through the mid-afternoon hours. Really nothing, though, in the way of accumulation. We're partly to mostly cloudy, and our temperatures are going to be much colder tomorrow in the wake of that cold front, only around 20 degrees. As we get into tomorrow night, widespread snow rise once again, so another storm system adding a more wintry scene to western New York tomorrow night, a low of 18. Snow continues Saturday morning, tapering off by the afternoon hours, a high on Saturday of 29. For Sunday, will be dry, partly sunny, a high of 37. The chance of rain or wintry mix on Monday, a high of 41. Tuesday, a high of 36 with the chance of rain and snow. And for Wednesday, will be mostly cloudy with a high of 35. Victoria?
Thank you.